YouTube, would this also be a pack opening? That'd be my two. And this is Crazy Hawkman. And today, I'm taking over Uncle Dave's chair. And right now he's not here, so check out my channel, subscribe for more. Trying to straighten this out without this should be on a blooper reel. There, okay, you see me clearly? Yeah. Sorry about that. And today I'll be opening one package from Australia, Yugioh cards, Primal Origins, and one Pokemon Secret Ancient Ancient Origins. Both of them origin packs from Yugioh and Pokémon. And also, let's go for it. And also, sorry about this saying, but check out my channel, subscribe for more pack openings. And first pack, stage 1 complete. It was Steel Dark Magician, sweet. What the hell? You can tell these cards are all fake, but I'm still opening them. My Destiny Defender. I think it's not in this pack. I guess I got confused on Guardian Dread site. Torrential Tribute is low cut different. What the hell, man? They got Destiny heroes in this pack? That's not the Primal Origins pack that I thought I know. So, I don't know about this, so, especially my Destiny heroes I found in here, as of right now. As of right now, what the... A number monster. I think these are fake. What the, really? Dark Magician Girl, but a different, wrong name. They call her Dark Witch. The Dark Magician of Chaos. What the hell? These are wrong names. Especially for this one. Magician's Valkyria is in the wrong name. And another skilled dark magician. This one says, oh, wait a minute. Skillful dark magician, really? Man, never buy fake packs. Then they're cut wrong, so maybe there's something different in the packaging, I don't know. Spell Royal Library. That's the wrong name, too. Wow. What the hell? I gave up this guy. It's kind of cool. Dark Destiny Hero, really? I can tell he's cut. What the hell? This one's cut different, really? Shiny Flower Wingman. And also cards with it. They're Driver Grade, that's still a name. Magical Mallet. Now you've been waiting for. What have you been waiting for? Snowflake Hole. And it's different name. Because I sometimes keep this pack. No more buying packs from the comic book shop. Well, not to blame the comic book shop, but these cards are fake. They're in different names. Holy crap, Terry! I hope to God this makes up for it. And if not, I'm going to be so pissed. Dude. Pokemon cards feel real. They feel real. I have no clue. Sit down for later. Oh, cool. Look, yeah. Sweet. Right off the bat. Okay. Alamar. Oh, it's Gyarados. Spider Pokemon Creep. Combi. I think these cards feel real in a Yugioh. I'm sorry, Konami. You need to do better than that. Especially with Australians. Or else. Real card, but fake name. Whooper. Just, let's see. Hit points. Dang. 70. And plus 30 combustion. Women Scott. Wow. These are really awesome. Sweet. Some of these are upside down, really. You know what I mean? Whoa. An X Monchap. Monchamp. Be the third of all form to be. These cards feel real, but they're cut different. Holy crap. Spinarak. Now you get the set. Look, Gyarados and Spinarak. I'm still afraid of spiders, though. Actually, real ones. Some fake ones do creep the hell out of me. Vileplume. What the hell? 130 hit points. Sorry if I cuss a lot of you guys on YouTube. I'm real surprised at these cards. Not anybody's got like cards. Well, besides the fake Yugioh cards and how many hit points Pokemon cards has. I'm not looking at just the hit points. I'm looking at everything, dude. EX Ampharos. Sweet. Holy crap. 170 Lightning Bolt. I love these EX cards. Ooh, trainer. X-Medic. Some of these cards are really upside down, see? Metacross. Cool. Corona. Oh, I got a bug. That's weird. Oh, cool. Beltoy. Usually I don't read the hit points too, so it's good. Best picking. These cards are kind of cut. But I lost some sweet Angel Demon. electric stone evolved form of Eevee. Another trainer. Forest of giant plants. Sorry if I'm laying back. I just don't want the cards to fall off the lap. Porygon 2. Oh, no way. Sweet, I got Jolteon. No, I got Vaporeon. Sweet. See, there you too. Now I need Flareon. Sorry, this is taking forever. Regis. Reg Ice. I'm trying to search the best I can. Beldum, Gyarados. Religious. And another Gyarados. I got Zapdos. Jolteon. And Vaporeon. I got another Gyarados. See? And for now, all we're waiting for. Come on. Snowflake. Alamar. All the Pokemon cards I have do not have the hit points they have in this. I like that some hit points somewhere between 60 and 90, 130, 90, 70, 120. Damn, they're like high. Well, thank you, YouTube. And thank you, Terry, for giving me these cards I needed. And maybe someday I try to get 10 Pokemon cards and do an opening of that. Or Yu-Gi-Oh cards, or whatever. So, yeah. But hit that like button, comment below this video what you think of my doing of this cards. And always check out my other 3 channels, Hawkman2081, Chris Hawkman2018, and Super Hawkman97, where I talk about comic books, which is Super Hawkman97, Special Olympics, Chris Hawkman 2018, and also when I sing about Pepsi parties and stuff like that, about that. And also celebrating holidays with friends and family, which is Hawkman 2018. Cool.